Assalamualaikum Skoolknit viewers, I hope you are all doing well. From the title and this little video clipping you would have understood that this is Meen Pollichathu recipe for you guys. If you've never ever tried making it, then this video is for you. I had 3 pomfret fish for which I used salt per my taste, but you can actually buy pearl spot, which is called curry meen I believe. So pomfret is what I had at that moment, so I wanted to have it because I was craving for it. I've taken 1 tablespoon of turmeric or turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which is mainly known for its color than spice, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon of zira powder or the roasted cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. This is my version, so I've taken half tablespoon of garam masala. This is completely optional for you. 3/4 to 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, which you can adjust if you like pepper more, and half tablespoon of any fish fry masala. I added Shan fish fry masala. This is also optional. Next I am adding 2.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. My ginger garlic paste has coriander in it, so it will look greenish. It gives an amazing flavor to the food. Sometimes when you don't have coriander and you have to skip it, then it's already present in your ginger garlic paste. And I have taken half a lemon and I've squeezed the juice out of it, so it will be around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil again gives the best flavor, but if you want to add vegetable oil, it's completely fine. I'm adding some more coconut oil to this paste and mixing it well to make it a smooth paste, and this is the stage where we can add some salt and adjust it according to our taste. So here are my fish. They had big slits on it, so when you buy the fish, especially for curry meen pollichathu, you may have to get the slits done. You can ask the person to do it for you, or you can do it as well if you have a really sharp knife. As I told you, you can buy pearl spot because I believe that's curry meen in Kerala, but you can definitely do it with any fish. Even if it is a sliced fish, you can try it. Experimenting with food is definitely not a crime. Also, we will see how the different fish taste with this sort of method of making it. So yeah, I have marinated all of these fish. I kept it for like about 3 hours. Marination for half an hour or more should be fine for this fish, but if it is going to be more than 2 hours, then it's definitely going to give better taste. You can always marinate it overnight when there are guests at home or you want to prepare something special for the family and all that. And this time I usually make this fish, but this time I tried something new that I'm not going to show you in this video because it has a lot of takeaways. So inshallah, I'm planning to share those learnings with you in another different video, which is going to be full of learnings, hacks and all that. So now after the marination is over, I've taken a big grill pan and I added some coconut oil. Again, oil is optional, but coconut oil will definitely give a better taste. I'm adding curry leaves and I'm gonna fry the fish. Each side of the fish needs to be cooked or fried for at least 2 to 3 minutes, with flipping in between at an interval of 1 and 2 minutes. If you use a grill pan, it's gonna give you all these lines on it, the marks on it, which will look really good. So yeah, here's my fish frying, but if you want to take any other pan, it's completely fine. All that you need to make sure is the fish nicely cooked. So the fried fish is ready. I'm going to keep it aside, and in the same pan with the same oil in which we fried the fish, I'm going to add the curry leaves because I need to make the meen pollichathu masala, for which I've taken 1 handful of chopped garlic. So this is malapundu, the hill garlic, and it will be big in size and very easy to peel off. And that I took like 1 big garlic I took and I kind of finely chopped it and added to this. If you want to add ginger as well, you can add according to your taste, and it should be finely chopped. Now these are shallots. These were like, the quantity was about 150 to 200 grams. I had roughly sliced them. You can also add a big onion if you want to, but the best one would be to go with the shallots or the small onions. So they give a different flavor, and Kerala and most of the South Indian food will have these shallots are small onions, and these are really good for health, especially for women and the hair growth and all that. Now I added some chopped green chilies. Actually, I took only half green chili because at my home we don't use a lot of green chilies. I do, but my mom and dad they don't prefer it. You can add it according to your taste. You can finely chop it. So we need to saute and fry these or cook these until they are nicely done. These onions and the quantity of ingredients that I'm gonna add for this masala was also perfect for the 3 fish I had. So you can adjust it according to the quantity of fish you have. Now I added 3 big tomatoes, the hybrid tomatoes, and I finely chopped them and I added to it. So when you add the finely chopped tomatoes and when you eat the meen pollichathu, it won't come like the big chunks of tomatoes won't come in your mouth. So that's why I kind of finely chopped it using my Tupperware chopper and I added it. I added some salt and I'm gonna definitely adjust it later. This is half tablespoon of garam masala, which is again optional for you. Now half tablespoon to 3/4 tablespoon of turmeric or turmeric powder depending on your quantity. Next 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder. This again you can adjust as per your taste. So some people don't like more of it. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Now it's time to add some Kashmiri red chili powder, which will be 1 tablespoon. This is again for the color. And half tablespoon of red chili powder for the spice. Next I added some fish fry masala powder and then I mixed all of these ingredients and cooked these for about 3 to 4 minutes because the raw smell of the spices need to go off and the color should look really good. Next I added half cup to 3/4 cup of coconut milk, which is thick homemade coconut milk. If you want to buy the packaged ones it's fine, but the thick coconut milk prepared at home is definitely the best for it. So I mixed all of these and now it has a flowing consistency. That's why we need to cook and thicken this whole masala to a spreading consistency. When you add coconut milk, it's just awesome. The aroma of the food gets like to a next level. So yeah, cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium to high flame, and here's the masala ready for us, and let it cool down for some time. It's time to wilt the banana leaves. All you have to do is turn on the gas flame and keep the banana leaves and do it like just keep moving it. It'll get wilted. This is to make it soft. Make sure you buy dark green banana leaves which are not so tender. Mine were quite tender, so I had a tough time wilting them and tying them. So you need to make sure the banana leaves are dark green. So here I've spread the masala which I made, the onion tomato masala, and now I kept the fish on top of it. Just look how beautiful it looks. And here's some more masala on the fish because this is going to be the sandwich fish. And yeah, just spread the masala and cover the fish really well. You can season it with some pepper, mint and coriander leaves finely chopped, onion rings or slices of tomatoes, anything that you like. But I kind of seasoned it with lemon juice as well. I seasoned it with some curry leaves, chopped mint and coriander leaves and some lemon juice. For tying this you need to have a thread, a thick twine, or the leaf blade which is from the back of the leaf. You can just thinly slice it off and tie it up. I took an earthen pan, I added some coconut oil to it. You can use a normal vegetable oil. And now I added the sandwiched fish which is packed in the banana leaf. Each side needs to be cooked for 3 to 4 minutes with flipping in between, and make sure the banana leaf is not completely burnt but it is well cooked. So it has to be done on medium to high flame. Here's our Meen Pollichathu ready. So the beauty of the thought process is to cook the fish in the sandwiched fish in banana leaf, which is gonna leave its own flavor. Also, it's gonna keep the sandwiched fish, the masalas, everything intact. Here's my Meen Pollichathu. Look at it. It's so beautiful and it tasted awesome. Look at it, look at the texture. So you definitely gotta try it and let me know in the comment section. Also, hit the like button if you like the video, the share button if you want to share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Until I meet you next time, take care, be safe and stay happy. Bye bye.